There have been a lot of questions about how a person can become a member of the Medium Partner Program and start earning. Like so many misconceptions and rumors doing the round that I thought today I should just sit down and make a detailed video about how you can join the Medium Partner Program and how you can start earning, what are the necessary terms and conditions, etc. All right. So first things first. The biggest question so many people, especially writers from India, have is, do I need to create a PayPal account? Do I need to create a Stripe account, etc.? So the answer to both of these questions is no. You do not need to create a PayPal account. You do not need to create a Stripe account. What you have to do is you have to go to the Medium Partner Program page, and then you have to click on Become a Member. And once you do that, you will be asked to pay a subscription fee of $5. That's the first step you need to do to become a member of the Medium Partner Program. You have to pay the Medium subscription fees, which is $5 per month. But if you live in India, there's a special discount for Indians as well, which I think comes to about 199 INR every month. How you can avail this pricing parity is that you have to download the Medium app on an Android device, and then you have to log in. And once you're logged in, you can click on Become a Member, and then you will see the parity pricing, which is, I think it's about 1900 rupees per year. It's a pretty reasonable price. That's step one. Step two is publishing one story on your profile. You can publish anything, like it can be a poem, it can be an old article that you published somewhere, it can be a 100-word post that you copied from LinkedIn. It can be anything. All that matters is that you have one published post. And once this is done, these are the only two prerequisites you need to become a member of the Medium Partner Program. The next step is to click on the top right of your profile and then go to Partner Program. From here, you just have to follow these steps. Add your name, add your country of origin, add your PAN details. All of these you have to do, and Medium will automatically create a Stripe account for you. So you do not have to go to stripe.com and create an account separately. No. All you need to do is follow the steps on the dashboard, fill out the taxpayer information, and you're good to go. One important point here is that when you're filling the tax form, there will be an option of claim tax benefits. So India has an arrangement with the United States where the writers from India only have to pay 15% tax, not 30%. So when you're filling out the tax form, just make sure you click on this button, Claim Treaty Benefits, and then you select all the points that come up accordingly, and then you will be eligible for a tax withholding of only 15%. That's it. It is as simple as that. There are so many people spreading random rumors that you need to have 100 followers to start earning, or you need to be publishing for 6 months to start earning. Do not believe that. There is no minimum follower count. There is no minimum publishing count. Well, there is only one article, but that's it. After you publish one article and you pay the membership fee, any person is eligible to earn from the Medium Partner Program. I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to share it with other writers who might be dealing with the same issues. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I'll see you again super soon with another new video. Until then, stay awesome and keep writing. Cheers!